Yes, it was a success. I moved my potted chili here in this side because the birds keep on munching them. So there are still a lot. And here there's a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make a ceviche. I'm gonna make a kinilaw. And I'm gonna take some of these red ones. There is a spider here. Tries to make a house. I'll deal with that spider later. But look at this, guys. Fresh chili out of your pot. Damn. Shout out to some subscriber, Kevin Strom, who cannot find a fresh chili in Dumaguete City. Dude, there's a lot of chilies here. Lady Enchantress Garden.